Hello everyone. In this session we'll see a question on Cauchy's integral theorem, or you can say Cauchy's integral formula from the complex analysis. So this GATE EE 2012 question, it was also in it was also in EC and instrumentation. So it says we need to find the integration f of z for the closed interval. The closed interval is given by z plus 1 equal to mod z plus 1 equal to 1. We have to find this value. So let's see what is this curve first. Mod z plus 1 equal to 1 is like radius equal to 1 and center is at minus 1. So let's say this is minus 1, then we are going to get a circle of 1 radius. This is minus 1. So this is what the curve C is like. If you want to orient it positively, then it should be anti-clockwise. Fine. Now let's say this f of z is g of z plus h of z. Fine. So this is g of z, this is h of z. Now if you see this function of f of z, let's say it is g of z plus h of z. So for g of z, which is 1 by z plus 1, the singularity or the point at which the function is not analytic is at z equal to minus 1, whereas for h of z, which is 2 by z plus 3, or if you are writing plus, then make it minus. This is having singularity at z equal to minus 3. So taking care of our points, singular point, we can see that z equal to minus 1 will lie here, but z equal to minus 3 will lie somewhere here. So if you consider our path, closed path C, this singularity is out of the region or out of the domain, and this is within the domain, right? So in that case, very clearly, as per the Cauchy's theorem, integration of, if this is h of z dz for this closed path is going to be 0, because this function is analytic on all the all on the points on the curve and within it. So in that case it is going to be 0. Whereas talking about g of z, which is 1 by z minus 1, let's say this is, let's define it in another variable, fgh. Let's say this is p of z by z minus 1. Fine. This is p of z by z minus 1. Then as per the Cauchy's integral formula, we know that function p of z by z minus a for some path C is going to be 2 pi I times of p of a if this point A lies within that curve C, within C, right? This is what we know about it. So in this case, if we see this p of z, we can compare it to be 1, and from here you can say p of z is 1 and a is also 1. This is z minus a, right? So in that case, and we want the form the value of 1 by 2 pi I given by p of z, z minus a. This will simply become p of a, right? This will simply become p of a. Now do you compare, if you compare both these expressions, you can see that p of z is 1 and z minus 1 is actually z minus a. So this is going to be simply p of 1, and p is actually 1, a constant. So this means this is going to be 1 simply, right? Why did we do this? The first half was clearly 0 because it didn't have the singularity within the region, so we don't have to calculate it. Let's not calculate and waste our time with that. And the next part, which was like the one we mentioned, g of z, in this case we have found the singularity within that region, so we can apply Cauchy's integral formula and then we can find the value. So the answer is 1. If we have option, we can check this option C. This is it.